Not exactly where you would expect to find one of the most jaw-dropping Airbnb properties in the Midwest. But here it is, the Woodside Container Home. 6 shipping containers welded, stacked, and transformed into a 1,600 square foot modern masterpiece sitting on a private wooded lot. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a spiral staircase, panoramic views, a rooftop deck, a hot tub, a telescope pointed at the stars, and a guest rating of 4.89 out of 5 stars from 275 reviews. It is a bucket list stay, and it started as a pile of used steel boxes. Today we're going inside the Woodside Container Home for a full tour. We are breaking down every design decision, every room, every amenity. And then we're doing something most tour videos never do. We're going to run the actual investment numbers on this property in 2026, so you can see exactly what a build like this could earn as a short-term rental, what it costs to build, and what your return on investment would realistically look like. Stay with us all the way to the end, because the income number we land on at the end of this video is the number that makes people seriously reconsider what they're doing with their money. Before the tour, if you are here because you believe there is a smarter way to build wealth through real estate than a 30-year mortgage on a cookie-cutter house, subscribe right now and hit the bell. This channel is where we break down alternative housing and unconventional investment strategies with real data and zero hype. Subscribe. Now let us walk through this property. Let us set the scene properly before we walk through the door. The Woodside Container Home is a short-term rental property listed on Airbnb, located in Millersburg, Ohio, in the heart of Holmes County. It is built from 6 shipping containers combined into a cohesive 2-story structure that clocks in at approximately 1,600 square feet of finished living space. The property is hosted by Samantha, a superhost who has been on the platform for 9 years. That superhost status is not cosmetic. It reflects a commitment to guest experience that shows up in the reviews, in the thoughtfulness of the amenities, and in the consistent 4.89 star rating across 275 verified guest reviews. The listing describes it as a true bucket list experience, and that language is not marketing fluff. Guest reviews consistently reference the uniqueness of the space, the quality of the finishes, and the feeling of being completely removed from the noise of everyday life, while still being minutes from downtown Millersburg. The property accommodates up to 4 guests. 2 bedrooms, 2 beds, 1.5 baths. It is positioned as a getaway destination rather than a large group rental. And that positioning is deliberate. In the short-term rental market of 2026, intimate destination properties with a strong design identity consistently outperform large-capacity generic rentals on both nightly rate and occupancy. The Woodside Container Home has found its lane, and it is owning it completely. The number 6 sounds arbitrary until you understand what it takes to create 1,600 square feet of livable space in a 2-story container build. A standard 40-foot shipping container delivers 320 square feet of floor area. 2 containers side by side give you a 640 square foot floor plate. Stack 2 floors of that configuration, and you have approximately 1,280 square feet. Add a 20-foot container on each level for additional volume, a lounge wing, or structural coverage of the staircase and mechanical spaces, and you arrive at the 6-unit configuration that gives Woodside its footprint, its presence, and its architectural character. The use of multiple containers is also what makes the 2-story design possible without conventional framing. Container corner castings, the heavy steel fittings at each corner of the unit, are engineered to bear the load of stacked containers at sea. On land, that same engineering capability means a 2nd-story container can be placed directly on a ground floor container with minimal additional structural work. The containers are the frame, the walls, and the load-bearing system simultaneously. The visual result of 6 containers in a configured layout is an exterior that reads as modern, deliberate, and architectural. Not a collection of boxes. A design structure with clean horizontal lines, purposeful window placements, and a scale that commands its wooded lot without overwhelming it. This is the key architectural insight of the Woodside build. 6 containers is not a compromise or an excess. It is the precise number required to achieve the spatial program, the 2-story drama, and the generous interior volumes that make this property exceptional. Let's walk through the property. You arrive via a private driveway that winds through the trees and deposits you in front of a structure that immediately signals this is not a normal rental. The steel exterior has been finished with deliberate care. Clean lines, large format windows, an entry sequence that builds anticipation before you even open the door. Step inside and the ground floor opens up in front of you. The living room. 2 large couches anchor the space around a coffee table. A large flat-screen television with Roku and YouTube TV is mounted on the wall. The ceiling height carries the generosity of the container volume without any forced decoration. Natural light comes in from the window configuration, and the industrial warmth of the steel shell is softened by the furnishing choices throughout. The dining area. Seats 4 at a dedicated dining table positioned in its own zone adjacent to the kitchen. It functions equally as a formal dinner space or a casual workspace, depending on what you need from your stay. The kitchen, fully equipped with stainless steel appliances throughout. A refrigerator with water and ice dispenser. An electric range. A dishwasher. A Keurig single-serve coffee maker. A microwave. Blender, pots and pans, plates, cups, bowls, wine glasses, utensils. This is not a kitchenette. It is a complete residential kitchen that a traveling family can cook in properly. Bathroom 2 on the main floor. This is where the Woodside build earns real hospitality points. Rather than a standard shower-only bathroom on the lower level, guests find a full soaker tub. A vanity. A toilet. It is a relaxation bathroom, not just a functional one. That decision to include a soaker tub in the main floor bathroom is the kind of detail that shows up in reviews and justifies premium nightly pricing. The spiral staircase. This is the architectural centerpiece of the interior. A steel spiral staircase connects the ground floor to the upper level. It is compact enough to preserve floor space, dramatic enough to be a genuine design feature, and perfectly consistent with the industrial modern character of the build. It is the first thing guests photograph. Every time, the upper level lounge. At the top of the staircase, guests arrive in a top-floor lounge area with a couch and a double sun telescope. Not a prop, an actual working telescope pointed at the Ohio night sky. This is a detail that tells you something important about the people who designed this property. They were thinking about the experience of being here after dark, in the quiet, in the trees, looking up. There's thoughtful hosting. The master bedroom, located on the top floor for maximum privacy and the best views. A queen bed. Closet storage. A flat-screen Roku TV with YouTube TV. Its own couch. The master bedroom in the Woodside Container Home is a room you want to spend time in, not just sleep in. The master bathroom. A large vanity, a walk-in shower, a toilet, and storage for towels. Clean, modern, properly finished. Nothing gratuitous. Nothing missing. Bedroom 2. A full bed with closet storage on the lower level. Comfortable, clean, and private. The outdoor areas. The back patio is where the Woodside experience reaches its full expression. A hot tub. Panoramic views of the surrounding woodland. The property is nestled far enough into the trees to feel completely private, while remaining a 2-minute drive from a grocery store and 5 minutes from downtown Millersburg. The balance of seclusion and convenience is exactly what the modern short-term rental guest is searching for in 2026. The overall property is self-check-in via keypad. The homeowners live adjacent to the property and are available if needed. That proximity without intrusion is the sweet spot for a short-term rental-host relationship. Here is why a property like Woodside is not just a beautiful place to visit. It is a model for what the short-term rental market rewards in 2026. Travelers in 2026 are increasingly choosing unique stays over conventional hotels and ordinary vacation rentals. The search for something memorable, something photographable, something that feels like a genuine experience rather than just a bed for the night, is driving the short-term rental market toward differentiated properties. Shipping container homes, tree houses, converted barns, and architectural cabins are consistently outperforming standard rentals in both occupancy rate and nightly rate premium on the Airbnb platform. The Airbnb fee structure as of February 2026 has shifted to a 15.5% host-only fee model on most listings, replacing the previous split fee structure. This means the fee is absorbed into the host's pricing rather than appearing as a separate line item for guests. Hosts building their pricing strategy need to factor this 15.5% platform commission into their nightly rate calculations from the start. Unique and design-forward properties in rural and nature-adjacent markets are achieving occupancy rates of 70 to 85% in strong performing markets, according to 2026 short-term rental data. The Woodside Container Home's 275 reviews and 4.89-star rating suggest it has been operating at high occupancy for an extended period. Properties with strong review volume and superhost status consistently command nightly rates 20 to 35% above market averages for comparable bedroom counts in the same geography. Rural Ohio is not a Tier 1 Airbnb market the way coastal destinations are. But that is part of the point. Holmes County, with its Amish country tourism draw, its outdoor recreation, and its relative scarcity of high-quality, unique stays, creates a market environment where a well-built, well-photographed, well-hosted container home faces limited direct competition and strong demand from regional travelers escaping urban centers. Here is the section that turns a tour video into a real conversation about money. What does it cost to build a property like the Woodside Container Home in 2026? And what does the income potential look like? Let's start with the build cost. 6 shipping containers, a mix of 40-foot and 20-foot units in solid condition, runs approximately $15,000 to $30,000 for the containers themselves in 2026. Delivery to a rural Ohio site adds $1,500 to $4,000. Foundation for a 1,600 square foot 2-story container structure. Concrete piers or a slab foundation runs $8,000 to $20,000, depending on site conditions and the engineering requirements of the 2-story configuration. Structural modifications, welding, and connection work for a 6-container build with multiple openings, window placements, and a 2-story stacking sequence. $20,000 to $45,000. 2-story container builds require professional structural engineering, and that engineering work is not optional. Insulation, closed-cell spray foam throughout a 1,600 square foot structure, $8,000 to $16,000. Electrical for a full 2-story residential build, $10,000 to $18,000. Plumbing for 1.5 bathrooms, a full kitchen, and a hot tub connection, $12,000 to $20,000. HVAC, ductless mini-split systems across 2 floors, $8,000 to $15,000. Spiral staircase, fabricated steel, $3,000 to $8,000. Interior finishes, drywall, flooring, cabinetry, countertops, $20,000 to $40,000. Furnishings and Airbnb-ready setup, including all appliances, linens, decor, the telescope, and outdoor furniture, $8,000 to $15,000. Hot tub, for $1,000 to $12,000 installed. Rooftop deck construction with railing and weatherproofing, $5,000 to $12,000. Permits, engineering plans, and inspections, $5,000 to $12,000. Total all-in build cost for a Woodside caliber 6-container 2-story Airbnb in 2026, approximately $130,000 to $260,000, depending on land cost, regional labor rates, and finish level. In many rural Ohio land markets, a suitable lot for a property like this can be acquired for $30,000 to $80,000. Now the income side. A property of this type and quality in the Holmes County, Ohio market, operating at 70% annual occupancy, generates meaningful short-term rental income. At a conservative average nightly rate of $175 across seasons, 70% occupancy on a 365-night calendar equals approximately 255 booked nights per year. At $175 per night, gross revenue runs approximately $44,600 per year before the 15.5% Airbnb platform fee. After platform fees, gross host revenue sits near $37,700 annually. Deduct operating expenses. Cleaning fees per turn, $100 to $150 per booking, approximately 85 to 100 turns per year at that occupancy rate. Run $8,500 to $15,000. Utilities, maintenance, insurance, and consumable restocking typically run $6,000 to $10,000 per year for a property of this size and quality. Net operating income in this scenario runs approximately $14,000 to $24,000 per year. On a total investment of $160,000 to $200,000, including land and build, that represents a net yield of 7 to 15% annually, stronger than a typical residential rental yield. And on a property that continues to appreciate in value and builds a review-driven booking engine year over year, that yield has a compounding character that a stock dividend does not. Higher nightly rates in peak season. VRBO, cross-listing to capture bookings outside the Airbnb platform, and operational efficiencies as the property matures all improve that number over time. The one-unit California couple referenced in recent container Airbnb case studies achieved 80% occupancy at $140 per night on a $72,000 build, recovering their investment in under 3 years. A Woodside caliber property targets a longer payback, but a significantly larger and more defensible annual income stream. The Woodside Container Home is not just a good Airbnb. It is a demonstration of a complete short-term rental investment philosophy. It is built in a location with genuine tourism demand. Holmes County draws visitors for Amish country tourism, outdoor recreation, and regional weekend escapes. The demand base is real and recurring, not dependent on a single event or a trend that could fade. It is designed to be genuinely different. In a world of beige rental interiors and identical platform furniture, the Woodside Container Home is immediately and unforgettably distinctive. That distinctiveness drives shares, saves, and direct referrals from past guests, all of which reduce reliance on platform search algorithms. It is operated with host professionalism, a superhost rating, self-check-in via keypad, owner proximity without intrusion, and consistent 4.89 star ratings across 275 reviews tell the story of an operation that runs well and earns trust from guests repeatedly. And it is built to last. Steel frame construction with proper insulation, professional engineering, and quality finishes means this property will not need the recurring structural maintenance that a wood-framed vacation rental accumulates over a decade of intensive guest use. Every one of these decisions is replicable. The Woodside Container Home is a case study, not an anomaly. And in 2026, with the short-term rental market rewarding originality, the tools to build something like this are more accessible than at any point in the history of alternative construction. Outro and final CTA. The Woodside Container Home started as 6 used steel boxes delivered to a rural Ohio lot. It is now a hospitality business with 275 5-star reviews, a Superhost badge, and a booking calendar that speaks for itself. The blueprint is visible. The numbers are real. The market is ready for more builds exactly like this one in markets across the country, where unique stays are scarce and demand is consistent. If this video changed the way you're thinking about what a shipping container can become, drop the word Woodside in the comments. We want to hear from every person who is taking this seriously as a build or an investment, and we respond to every comment. If you want the full step-by-step breakdown of how to plan, permit, and build a multi-container Airbnb property from lot acquisition to first booking, that video is coming next on this channel. Subscribe now so you're there when it drops. We will see you in the next one.